Are you looking for the best electric wheelchair? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 5 electric wheelchair, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Rubicon DX12 Next Generation 30-mile freedom range. Airline-approved electric wheelchair with dual 12Ah lithium batteries, powerful 2x300-watt high-performance motors. Number 2. Electric wheelchair for adults. 36 lbs lightweight electric wheelchairs. 500-watt brushless motor power wheelchair. Foldable motorized wheelchair for seniors. Airline approval 15 miles. Orange. Brand, Biki. Color, orange. Style, B219F5. Material, aluminum. About this item: safety driving and 12-degree climbing ability. This electric wheelchair is equipped with an automatic braking system for safety use. Just release the control lever, the electric wheelchair will automatically cushion and brake within a small distance, about 50 centimeters, determined by speed. The LED lighting system can help you travel at night and assist in charging phone. The foldable electric wheelchair has a 12-degree climbing ability and can easily handle different terrains. Note, slow deceleration is to avoid inertia. Elderly-friendly operation. The fast response 360-degree joystick of the electric wheelchair is very easy to operate. 5 adjustable speed buttons can be used to adjust the speed according to the scene, with horn buttons and LED.
Number 3. 33 Lebite electric wheelchair. Electric wheelchairs for adults, foldable. 15 miles range motorized wheelchair for seniors. All-terrain compact portable power wheelchair. 330 pounds capacity. Brand, Gold Season. Color, silver. Style, 33 Leb lightweight, silver. Material, aluminum. Seat width, 17 inches. About this item: lightweight electric wheelchair. This electric wheelchair is made of lightweight yet high-strength aerospace-grade aluminum, weighing only 33 Leb light. Support up to 330 pounds and can be folded in just 3 seconds, making it ideal for travel and easy storage in car trunks. Approved for aircraft use, it's the perfect travel electric wheelchair for seniors and adults. Game changer joystick. Designed with seniors in mind, this wheelchair is easy to operate and with complicated button combinations. Its responsive 360-degree design makes maneuvering, turning, and braking in tight spaces smooth and effortless. The electromagnetic brake system responds quickly. Automatic tilt prevention engages when hands are removed from the control lever.
Number 4. Foldable electric wheelchair for adult senior support. 265 lbs. Dual peak 650-watt motors. Motorized wheelchair. 240-watt removable Li battery. Airline-approved travel chair. 5-speed control. FDA. Brand, GoKeep. Color, black. Item weight, 54.23 pounds. Style, electric wheelchair black. FDA Class II medical device. FDA Class II medical devices are designed to aid individuals with mobility impairments. Units have been rigorously tested to the highest standards to ensure consumer safety and long-term satisfaction. Dual motors 360 watts, 180 watts times 2, with 650 watt peak power. Boasting dual 180 watt motors, 360 watts total, and 650 watt peak power, our electric wheelchair effortlessly conquers 15-degree plus slopes, grassy areas, small curbs, and uneven sidewalks. No manual assistance needed. Synchronized dual motor design ensures balanced power distribution, preventing drifting or wobbling, while precise joystick control enables safe navigation in tight spaces. Reliable power for daily commutes, park visits.
Number 5. Folding electric wheelchair for adults. All-terrain powered wheelchair with dual motors and 27 miles long range. Brand, Mobility Mate. Color, silver black. Style, modern. Material, aluminum. Seat width, 18 inches. All-terrain performance with dual 200-watt motors. This powered wheelchair is equipped with dual 24V 200-watt brushless motors, delivering smooth and reliable power on sidewalks, grass, park paths, and uneven surfaces. With a 6-degree climbing capability and anti-tip wheels, this motorized wheelchair supports stable movement for adults and seniors in everyday environments.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.